Mr. Klein.
I'm sorry that Mr. Foreman was unable to give us an answer to Carol's question about whether residents would be displaced to do the interior radiological testing. I think we can assume, just as a common sense, that if you're going to do a thorough test of the slab, of the entire slab, you're going to have to empty the unit. And so I'm concerned that you're waffling on this, and there won't be another RAB meeting for 2 months. You're already planning to have the contract out, and this is why I wrote a letter about uniform relocation rights for residents, and I gave you a copy of the letter we were sent in regards to the subject of Navy remediation. In 2006, we were told by the villages, and this was all vetted by TIDA and their lawyers, and their consultant, Overland Pacific and Cutler, that it was a notice of our relocation rights under the Uniform Relocation Act, federal and state law. And now we're getting the opposite story, that we're not covered by the Uniform Act. And I'm trying to get to the bottom of this. I gave you a copy, and gave Mr. Beck a copy of the 2006 letter at the TIDA meeting last week. I sent a letter on March 20th to the Navy and CC'd the city, and I feel like you're being disingenuous to say, well, we're not sure until the contract is out what this is going to entail. I think we can assume there's going to be some displacement that will be the result of doing these thorough interior investigations of the slab. And I'm wondering why, under the Uniform Relocation Act, there's a requirement when you know that you're going to have to displace residents, you have to have a relocation plan in place before any potential displacement, and community members must be involved in a committee that's involved in the planning of the whole project. And I don't see the Navy complying with any of that. Just a comment. Thank you.
Yeah, that's redevelopment.